the matrimonial dispute between the husband and wife. Go and settle it. 93-year-old man, and you are torturing him.
No, my lord. My lord, I have lodged a DV case against my husband.
Let
The
let the
Lady, let
your
for
husband
one
wait.
minute. Lady,
Your husband doesn't stay over here. He works in Bangalore. It's been submitted.
my lord, he's having an my lord, he's having an affair also, my lord.
Let him have affairs. You settle it out with your husband. Why are you torturing this lady? She has got her father-in-law over there. This house does not belong to your husband. Does this house belong to your husband? It doesn't.
Is there and his future
You
is at
are
stake.
taking the minor child as your shield. What is going to happen? Your child is going to learn the same behavior that you are doing to your mother-in-law, and you will face the same thing. Do not give this type of lesson to your son.
there the state is claiming that no, only Riyadash is staying there with her son. And contrarily, only after in the next report, they're claiming that no, they're staying with their parents. Lord, I am 65 years old. I am there with my parent-in-law. Sorry, my lord, father-in-law. He is 93 years old. Now, my lord, what I prayed in the writ petition, my lord, though I know it's quite a lot to ask for, my lord, it is absolutely not possible for me to stay here because kind of hindrances that she has been occurring. I have a pen drive with me. The petitioner is also physically present before the court with the pen drive. On the last occasion, yesterday night, she tried to enter the premises and thereafter, my lord, she is staying there. And my lord, yesterday night was a horrific night for her. My lord, everything is in the pen drive. She put on sirens, wailing all throughout the night. She took away the pillows. She locked the refrigerator. She took away all the almiras, all the wardrobe keys and everything. Today morning, while she was coming before the High Court, she has even taken the keys, my lord. I do not have any keys. I do not have any access to the flat, my lord. Yesterday night, when I tried to
wait for 2 hours.
Yes, my lord. When yesterday night I tried to enter my flat, my lord, this is the scenario that I had found. The flat was locked. One name was given, Virat Roy, and Riya Roy is staying there. For emergency, contact this number. I contacted her. I said that I am staying here. Kindly allow me the access of the flat. So, my lord, now what they are doing, since their parents are not saying, they are staying away from the home. So now she came back, just opened the door without the child, my lord. What she has been claiming all through that she needs a accommodation for her little child who is 7 years old. She did not came back with her, my lord. She came back alone and thereafter started creating nuances. Now, my lord, this is the present scenario before your lordship. Lord, that senior citizen, 65 years, she has been under torture all through. Lord, now let me confer to the can number 1, my lord. The police in the report, or with the help of Sub-Inspector Banerjee and some of my neighbors, I could enter into the flat. And to my utter surprise, I saw that respondent number 8, Riya Dash, along with her mother and parents, they are staying there. After that, my lord, my can application, it contains all the email communications, all the communications that I have done to the police station to show that it was not at all peaceful. I had to visit the Baghajotin Hospital, Baghajotin Shodor Hospital, my lord. My lord, kindly comes to page number 14 and onwards. Page number 15. I, Mita Chakraborty, a senior citizen residing at such and such address, formally lodge a complaint against my daughter-in-law and her mother, who have been torturing me and my daughter both mentally, physically since this evening. Despite the High Court's order, which allowed us to reside peacefully in our flat without any interference, they have continued their harassment. Today, they have threatened to file a false FIR against me and my daughter, falsely accusing us of harassment, while in reality, we are the ones suffering at their hands. The situation has escalated to physical assault. My daughter-in-law attempted to hit me and push me against the wall. I'm a patient of high blood pressure and hyperthyroidism, and this continuous stress has severely impacted my health. I'm unable to sleep due to the fear and distress. I request your immediate intervention to stop this continuous abuse and threats. I fear for me and my daughter's safety. Now, my lord, there she is claiming about the false FIR.
How big is your daughter?
My lord, my daughter age is around 24.
What does she do?
She is doing service currently. She is also the co-owner of this flat. Now, my lord, where I would like to suggest, this is not at all the matrimonial home, my lord. The matrimonial home was in Durgapur. where she got married, where she came, and thereafter my son left me. My son is now right now in Bangalore. He is doing his job. Lord, I am staying at this place. This place belongs to my in-laws with my 93-year-old father-in-law and my daughter. I am the co-owner. Paragraph number 5 of my writ petition says about the ownership of this particular flat. I am the owner of this flat. 50% ownership belongs to me and 50% to my daughter Ananya Roy. This is our flat. This is not the matrimonial home. Whereas Milord, the matrimonial home being in Durgapur, and also might they can ask that they have one child, so he wants to stay with the father. That is in Bangalore where the father is staying. My son is staying. Now, Milord, they are saying that they have access to this flat because she has got a minor son. But Milord, the son is staying with the parents of the mother. That is Riya Dash in her paternal home, Milord. Now, Milord, thereafter, from 15th March 2025, they have stated about this false FIR. Milord, the first FIR is Patuli PS being case number 122 of 15/3/2025. It was registered against me. Now, Milord, there,
The house in Durgapur stands in whose name?
Milord, it's a quarter. It's a quarter.
Quarter means?
It's a government quarter.
In whose name?
It belongs to DSP, Milord. The DSP licensed quarter. There she got married. Where I was staying in rent. Milord.
How did these people get into this DSP's quarter?
Milord, I think
Steel plant, Durgapur steel plant. You speak, let him communicate, let her communicate to you, and you can say to the court, let her not call direct.
Come after your lordship's order, Milord. Milord, we had let them enter, Milord. It was their call. They did not enter. Their main intention, Milord, from the very beginning of this writ application, as I was submitting, Milord, the very intention is that, Milord, they want me, that is the daughter-in-law, and my son to be ousted from that house so that,
That house, what is your right to that house?
my lord, that is my matrimonial house, Milord. My son, he took birth over there, Milord. I have been staying there for,
Taking birth does not mean that that is your matrimonial house.
Lord, where should I go then?
You go to your husband's place or to the matrimonial house where you were married.
My lord, I have lodged a DV case against my husband.
Let
The-
let the
let-
your
for
husband
one
wait.
minute. Milord,
Your husband doesn't stay over here. He works in Bangalore. It's been submitted.
My lord, he's having an Milord, he's having an affair also, Milord. So,
Let
Milord,
him have affairs. You settle it out with your husband. Why are you torturing this lady? She has got her father-in-law over there.
Milord,
This house does not belong to your husband. Does this house belong to your husband? It doesn't. And you
Milord,
have
it
kept this.
used to now,
This is the position. You've locked
now,
it.
Milord, Milord,
You've locked it and you kept your phone number over there. And the lady is outside. What is happening?
Milord, I do not know when this picture was taken, Milord. I do not know what is.
You know nothing. You go. Where is your son now?
It's he's with me, Milord.
He's with your parents.
No, Milord, he's with me.
Milord,
You go. Your parents are very much close to you. It's very nice. You go and stay with them, or you stay in your matrimonial house.
That is what they
You
want.
stay in your matrimonial house. You please leave this house for the 90-year-old man who's staying over there and the lady who's staying over there.
Milord,
Do
then-
not. You stay safe. Stay peaceful. You have got a son. He has got his own life. Don't put questions to the court.
My
Thing is, you have got a separate matrimonial house. You please
No,
go
Milord,
over there
this is my
and let the
matrimonial house, Milord.
90-year-old man with the daughter-in-law stay over there.
But my lord kindly appreciates the writ application had the prayers, Milord, to reinstate.
Whatever the prayer is,
But that has been complied with, Milord. That has been
you
complied
will,
with.
you will,
And this is my matrimonial house, Milord, and I can state that on affidavit, Milord.
your affidavit will not do. The husband doesn't stay here. The
Husband has filed a divorce case against me, Milord.
that is a separate matter.
Milord,
That is absolutely separate between
Milord,
you and
all-
your husband.
all these
Please
all
do
these
not.
allegations and all these contentions by my learned friend, Milord, these are beyond the scope of this writ application, Milord.
Please come.
certainly not, Milord.
But this is my matrimonial house, Milord. Where am I supposed to go thereafter?
Recorded owner certainly has a right to reside in her own place without any hindrance or obstruction from any party whatsoever. Stop. The son of the petitioner, yes?
We are ready for mediation, Milord.
What is the mediation that you will, what is your terms of settlement? Will you please say?
No, my lord, if they are willing, my lord, since, my lord, we have to stay in the same household, my lord, and we also do not want any problem to be there, my lord, because there's a minor child who stays there and his future
You
is at
are
stake, my lord.
taking the minor child as your shield. What is going to happen? Your child is going to learn the same behavior that you are doing to your mother-in-law, and you will face the same thing. Do not give this type of lesson to your son. He is a minor. Let him have a proper, peaceful, and healthy lifestyle.
That is what I also want, my lord. To with
Had
deepest
your
respect.
client wanted this, she would not have done this. You see, you've seen this. You locked the door. Where will this lady go? Where is the key? Where is the key to this lock?
My lord, that is why, my lord, an emergency number was given, my lord. Since if
She is going to call, and then you will come, and by the time she will stay outside.
no,
Where is the key to this lock? Hand over the key immediately so that she has got free access and you do not cause any type of hindrance.
Lady, kindly sees this
instruction is
pen
that
drive. She is not handing over the key to this flat, key to the refrigerator, to the almirah, and even
What
to the
is this?
furniture.
You are locking the refrigerator?
Kitchen, washroom, nothing. Milady, kindly seize the pen drive. Once I have video recorded everything.
I am going to
no, my lord, we
tell
have
you to be ousted.
no,
Milady,
no, my lord.
taking away
A
the
lot of
mattresses,
patience
pillows,
has
Kindly
been
everything,
shown.
appreciates,
milady.
Miller. Kindly appreciates, Miller. The key has already been handed over, Miller. This is my
Milady,
instruction.
she has installed sirens, and right at 10:30, 8:30, Milady, she is blowing up the
These are all
sirens at the top of
disputed
his.
question of
Milady, kindly
facts,
seize the
Miller.
pen drive once. How I had been
Miller,
treated.
how, Miller, these are all disputed question of facts, Miller.
Obviously, you will dispute. This is nothing new about it. Have you locked the refrigerator?
Milady, kindly seize.
No, Miller. We haven't. We haven't.
Milady, take that. Milady, take that on oath. I have a pen drive to support the same question.
Will the pen drive be shown so that everybody can see what is happening? What do you want?
5 minutes, Milady. It will take only
Miller,
2 minutes,
I
Milady.
also have, Miller, CCTV footages where
Yes.
Let that be shown, Milady.
Miller, a lot of Miller. What should I
She
submit,
doesn't
Miller?
stay over here. What will you do with the CCTV
Matrimonial
footages?
disputes, my lord. What to do, my lord? And at best, my lord, I can stay within the scope of the writ
They have filed a
application
DT
spread,
Act case, Milady.
that is all.
There
What
they have.
matrimonial
That
dispute?
fine,
You
that
fight it out with your husband. Why are you dragging this
Divorce is pending,
93-year-old
domestic
person
fund.
over there?
They have also asked
My
for
lord,
accommodation
we have
relief for
already
15,000
seen
rupees
the
for
right
rent,
judge.
Milady. Kindly seize this. I have got it from High Court.
The matrimonial dispute between the husband and wife, go and settle it. 93-year-old man and you are torturing him.
No, my lord. My lord,
What? No.
Which one?
লিখুন তো, the
Milady, kindly seize this. The
private
ambulance was
respondent.
there on the last occasion. She had to go away from the step, from the doorsteps.
The
The mother-in-law.
private respondent is directed to immediately hand over a key of the lock to the main door, main entrance, to the petitioner so that she has free access to the subject flat.